How to save battery using AllTrails. So first of all, once you launch AllTrails application, make sure you are on the Explore page and open the map. Then you'll see the download button. Tap on it. Now, from here, choose a specific trail in order to download. So if you tap on Download Trail option at the bottom, over here you can see that you will only be able to download a specific route or a map if you have subscription to AllTrails. You can see the price given over here and all the benefits you would get. Then you can simply tap on Start Your Free Trial. Now, once you have downloaded offline maps, you can simply scroll down to your control panel and turn on the airplane mode. Once you turn on the airplane mode, you can save battery while using AllTrails from your offline maps. Then, once the offline map has been downloaded, you can simply open your offline maps that has been downloaded and you can use it while you are hiking through AllTrails. Then, you can also scroll down to your control panel and adjust your brightness to the lowest in order to save battery. So that's how simply you could save battery using AllTrails. And that's it for today's video. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.